This is the 17th LeetCode challenge, and it is called the letter combinations of a phone number. Given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive, return all possible letter combinations that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. A mapping of digits to letters, just like on the telephone buttons, is given below. Note that 1 does not map to any letters. So if you have the input of 2 and 3, it gives these combinations. So 2 is ABC, and then 3 is DEF. So AAA, BBB, CCC, and DEF, DEF, DEF. And if there is no input, then an empty list is returned. And if you have a single digit, then you're returned each letter for that number individually. So the length of the digits could be from 0 to 4, and the digits is a range of 2 to 9. So 2 to 9 because those are the ones with letters. Okay, so I'll now get the project set up for this challenge. Okay, I've now got it set up, so let's get started. So we'll first start off with creating the map between the digits and the letters. So what's the best way to do this? So we'll do just digit letter equals new list. No, this will be new dictionary. I'll be string list of strings, and we will have new key value pair list of strings. The key will be the digits, so let's start with 2, and the value will equal ABC. Actually, I might be doing this wrong in terms of how we initialize dictionaries. I always forget how to do this. Is it just no, it's not. Okay, let's just look up C# initialize dictionary. So I always forget how to do this. Okay, it does look to be just that. So we start off with number 2, and then this is new list, which is A, B, C. But still giving, there's no argument given that corresponds to the required parameter value of dictionary.add. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Okay, is that how we do it? No, okay, I guess it is. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll got that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, oh, that's not R, R, S, T, U. Okay, maybe that's not correct. It's number 7, P, Q, R, S. Okay. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Now, this one is W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so that was nice and easy. We will then create var numbers equals digits dot split. Can we just do it like this so it splits alike? Yep. Okay, cool. We'll then do var output equals new list of string. And we'll put the return at the bottom here, return output. Now it's a matter of iterating through the numbers. Actually, first we'll do if numbers.length numbers.count equals 0, return new. Actually, this might need to be length. Yep. Now we need to do okay, how do we do this? So we've got all the numbers in a list. We then want to iterate through all of them at the same time, but for the number of characters in the list. What's the easiest way to do this? Yeah, I can't think of the easiest way to do this because, the initial thought is to do like multiple for loops, but as you don't know how many digits there will be, you can't specify how many loops you'll have to do. You know what? Well, let's just start off with how many total combinations there are. So this will start off with 1. So for each string digit in numbers, total combinations times equals digit letter digit dot count. So if we have, let's say 2, 3, 4, we'll grab 1, go here, times by 3, make it 3. We'll go here, 3 times by 3, 9. Here, 3 times by 3, 327. Okay, so then we have the total combinations. We then start again with this, and we're going to be building up each string. So we're going to start off with int total. This will be the amount of combinations where a single digit be done. So if we have, using the previous example, 3, there's 27. Each digit will be done 9 times. So int total equals total combinations divided by digit letter count. We will then have an int count equals 0. We'll then do a for each string letter in digit letter digit, and we'll do while do count here while count is less than total. We will do, so what's the quickest way to just add to a list like that? So I want to add the total combinations to it. I'll just do a quick for loop. Just do it quick and dirty like that. So we've got the total combinations. We've now added the total combinations, and now we're going to be adding to each one int digit position. So start off with 0. So while count is less than total, we then do output count plus digit position times total. So if we're onto the second, so say this does 9, onto the second digit, so this will be 1 times total, so 9, and then yep, so that should work. Plus equals letter. I think that might work as is. Let's just run it and see if it does. Okay, so the given key 22 was not present. Okay, so the split didn't work, just like that. Okay, well let's look up how to C# split string into list of characters. I'm not sure if I want to do it like this because I want. Okay, yeah, we'll just do that, and then we'll change this to be all characters. Accidentally did insert mode then. Okay, so we've got like that. We then go to here, new, where did I split? To car array for each car digit in number, for car digit number. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I think I may have, yeah, I forgot to do plus for count here. Now let's run. Okay, interesting. It's returning letter. How did I do that? Ah, my bad. I literally typed letter there. The variable letter. Now let's try. Okay, so I've done capital letters while the actual was lowercase. Does that matter? Yes, it does, I think. So I'm going to have to quickly change this all to lowercase. Okay, now let's see if it does correct output. You know what? I'm not sure what's going on, but for some reason it's having problems just running it, and I have no idea why. So I'm just going to go put this into LeetCode, and let's see if we can test it in there to see if it works. Okay, so the code's down here. Let's run it with the test ones and see if it gets the expected output. Okay, first one was wrong. Yeah, I didn't think that went through. because it's doing the exact same thing. Gets the first one, does in the first 3, but then when you go on to the next digit, it's getting the first one and doing the next 3, when really it's meant to be skipping a bunch. Okay, so when it's on the second digit, count is 0. Digit position. So for digit in numbers, I thought that would have worked. Let's see. Maybe we need to do like int offset equals... It's hard to say how this should be done. So we've got the digits, so initially it's 3, 3, 3, then the next one's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the first one is 0, then 3, then 6. Next is 1, 4, 7, then it's 2, 5, 8. Okay, I might need to change this, maybe change this to letter position. And then we will also have a digit position. So equals 0, and this one is plus here. So got the count, letter position. So count plus letter position. Then maybe, so we want to start at 0 first. With the first digit, we want to be in sequential order, so there would be no skipping. Next, it does skip. Maybe we need to do if digit position equals 0. We do what we originally had, so count plus letter position times total. Else, so we'll have digit position and letter position. Letter position is our starting point, so we'll do letter position plus count times digit position times total. Well, we don't want to be times total. No, yes we do. Okay, letter position, so this will be 1. Yep, starts off as 1. We then do count, which is currently 0, times digit position, which is starts off as 1, times total. So maybe this needs to be digit position minus 1. You know, I just want to see the output. Let's run this and see if it works. Oh, right, I forgot that Visual Studio is messing up, so let me copy and paste this all into LeetCode and then see if it works. Okay, so it has the wrong number again. So whatever I did made it so it never moved past the first one. So why did it do that? So if letter position plus count. Okay, because yeah, so that's wrong. Letter position. So if it's letter position 0, you want it to be the very start. If it's so count 0, you want the first iteration to be at the very beginning, but then the next iteration is meant to go to the next one. Maybe we don't need this digit position. No, we do want the digit position. It's just we don't want it to. We don't need to do that -1 thing. Okay, let's go back to LeetCode and remove the -1. Let's keep like this. Now let's see. Okay, there we go. That worked. So let's submit it, and hopefully it works on everything else. Index was out of range. Must be non-negative and less than size of collection. Okay. So if we have 2, 3, 4, might be possible that it goes too far. So 2, 3, 4 number will be 27. So 0 to 26. Let's say we're going to the third one. So letter position. So for the third row, it will go 1, 0, 8. What? No, that's not right. How would it go? So it'll be 27 things. Okay, let's just put this number as a test input, and then we'll try iterate through it. I'll put it first. And I have no idea what the expected output will be, so I'll just do that. So we want to go to here. Okay, so on digit position 0, so verify. Yep, so digit 2, so 2, 3, 4. We will continue. Okay, it's down here when it happened. What are the values? So count is 3, digit position is 1, total is 9, letter position 0. Okay. So that's definitely, that's going to the very end. Actually, what does output look like? A, this, this. Maybe remove this. Okay, so I've been staring at this for quite a while and I realized that there is a much better way to do this, which would just be to create a function which you give it the letter, you give it the following letters, and then you create new combinations like that. And then for each combination, you then give it the next lot of digits, and so on. So that is how I'm going to change this. We're going to remove most of this. Yeah, I think fresh start on this is kind of what's needed. Okay, we've got this. We're going to create private list string create combinations. So first, pass it the list combinations. We will pass the string of remaining digits, and then we'll pass it digit letter. Okay, what's going on? Oh, like that. Okay, so we have this. Oh yeah, we also need string current combination. So we'll be here, var output equals create combinations. So we'll pass it output. Current combination is nothing. Remaining digits, this will be numbers. Actually, we'll just get rid of this and we'll use digits here. So digits, and what's the last one? Digit letter. Right, that was passing digit letter into it. We'll change this if digits dot length is 0. Of course, already defined it. That's why. So create combination. So what we will do for each string letter in digit letter. Remaining digits dot substring 0 dot to string. Okay, what's going on? Cannot convert. Wasn't that correct? 4. Okay. 0 1 dot to car. Actually, we'll just change this back to strings. Much easier. So we're going through each letter in the current digit. We will do. Sorry, digit letter, remaining digits. We will do current combination plus equals letter. Then down here, we'll just get out of the way. Down here, combinations. If remaining digits dot length is less than or equal to 1, if it's greater than 1, we will do combinations equals create combination, and we will be passing everything here, but remaining digits, this will be dot substring from 1 onwards. I think that's how it'll work. No, I shouldn't really have to pass digit letter. I will move that up to here. Okay, just like that. So then I'll go through to the next digit. Actually, I think it needs to be an else here. So either pass it to the next one, or if you're at the very end, that's when you add it to the list. So combinations dot add current combination. I think that's how it'll work. Okay, hopefully I can run in here and see if it works. Okay, so digit, what's the output look like? No, that's definitely not what it's meant to be. Okay, let's restart this. Let's see what's going on in here. So current combination, nothing. Remaining digits, 2 3 4. So what is the letter here? Letter A, yep. Current combination plus A, that is A. Okay, I see where I went wrong. So what I'm doing is I'm adding to this one for every single one, which is not what it's meant to do. I need to do, yeah, because this one's meant to be unchanged. Now you pass that one on, I think. Okay, let's go back to the very end and run it and see if it works. Okay, that one looks promising. I think that is the solution. So I will copy and paste everything that's in here, put that into LeetCode, and hopefully that is everything that needed to be done. Okay, so with the test ones, it gave all of them accepted, so let's submit and hopefully it's now finally done. And that was the solution to took far longer than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be a very simple problem where you're just iterating through the digits, but it turned out there was more recursion to it than I thought there would be. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.